it's Casey and welcome back to my channel. I'm in the process of getting ready to go to my friend's Diwali celebration dinner. I have no familiarity with this holiday with the singular exception of having seen that episode of The Office where Kelly Kapoor throws a Diwali party.
What is Diwali, you may ask?
But that being said, I still wanted to bring a baked good that was on theme with the event. So, I hope you enjoyed this recipe for delicious cashew cardamom cookie.
Between us, you see into my heart like a window pane. I stand in your love and it's pouring rain. I love you, I love you. You're what you're supposed to finish line. My hand in your hand, you're holding mine. I love you, I love you. Two hearts, two souls, one body. I've got you, you know you've got me. Young lovers.
These cookies, of all the Diwali sweet recipes I looked at, were surprisingly easy and had the beautiful taste and scent of cardamom and vanilla and all the scents you'd expect. I hope you guys have a very happy Diwali. Tag me on Instagram at CaseyChef if you make this recipe and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Singing like there's no one to hear us.